Looking for a quick and delicious snack or light meal? This balsamic roasted tomato and hummus toast is your answer. With juicy tomatoes caramelized in balsamic vinegar, paired with smooth and creamy hummus, it's a match made in culinary heaven. This recipe celebrates the vibrant flavors of roasted tomatoes and the rich, nutty undertones of hummus. Perfect for brunch or as an afternoon snack, it's not only easy to prepare but also incredibly satisfying. Your taste buds are in for a treat. An easy and flavorful toast recipe. This delightful toast features a winning combination of sweet, tangy balsamic roasted tomatoes and smooth, creamy hummus. Each bite offers a burst of flavor and a satisfying mix of textures. Perfect for brunch, a light snack, or an afternoon treat, this recipe is simple yet incredibly satisfying. The key to this dish is the caramelization of the cherry tomatoes. Roasting intensifies their natural sweetness, while the balsamic glaze adds depth and complexity. Together with the rich hummus, they create a mouth-watering experience that everyone will love. Ingredients for a delicious toast. To prepare this scrumptious toast, gather a few straightforward ingredients. Start with fresh cherry tomatoes, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar for roasting. For the base, your choice of bread, such as sourdough or whole grain, will provide a sturdy foundation to hold the toppings. Don't forget the creamy hummus, which can be store-bought or homemade. Fresh basil leaves not only enhance the appearance, but also contribute a hint of freshness that complements the dish beautifully. Preparation steps to follow. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees to get it ready for the tomatoes. While the oven heats up, toss the halved cherry tomatoes with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper, ensuring they are well coated. Spread the tomatoes on a baking sheet in a single layer and let them roast for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they are ready when they look caramelized and juicy, with a mouth-watering aroma filling your kitchen. Perfectly toasting the bread. While the tomatoes are roasting, take the time to toast your bread slices. Aim for a golden brown color that will deliver a delightful crunch, perfectly contrasting the soft hummus and juicy tomatoes. The toasting process is quick, so keep an eye on your bread to prevent it from burning. Once done, set the slices aside, ready to be topped with the flavorful ingredients. Assembling the toast. Now comes the fun part, assembling your toast. Spread a generous layer of creamy hummus over each slice of toasted bread. The hummus acts as a delicious base, providing a smooth texture that complements the roasted tomatoes. Once the hummus is spread evenly, top each slice with the balsamic roasted tomatoes. The vibrant colors and glistening glaze will make the dish look irresistible. Garnish and serve to finish. Consider adding fresh basil leaves on top of the roasted tomatoes for a pop of color and added flavor. The bright green basil enhances the visual appeal and adds a refreshing note to each bite. Serve your balsamic roasted tomato and creamy hummus toast immediately, perhaps alongside a drizzle of balsamic glaze for an extra touch. This dish is sure to impress your guests or provide a satisfying meal for yourself. This toast features sweet, tangy balsamic roasted tomatoes that burst with flavor, paired with a rich and creamy hummus spread. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups cherry tomatoes halved. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 3. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 4. Salt and pepper to taste. 5. 4 slices of your favorite bread, sourdough or whole grain work well. 1 cup hummus, store-bought or homemade. 7. Fresh basil leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. 2. Roast the tomatoes. In a bowl, toss the halved cherry tomatoes with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 2. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast for 20-25 minutes, or until they're caramelized and juicy. 3. Prepare the toast. While the tomatoes are roasting, toast the slices of bread until golden brown. 4. Assemble the toast. Spread a generous layer of hummus over each slice of toasted bread. 4. Top with the roasted tomatoes. 5. Garnish and serve. If desired, garnish with fresh basil leaves. 5. Serve immediately and enjoy. Cook and prep times. 1. Prep time, 10 minutes. 2. Cook time, 25 minutes. 3. Total time, 35 minutes. Nutrition information. 1. Servings. 4 slices. Calories. 100 eg cal.